Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about Pocket Option. Can you actually get Pocket Option API key? Let's get started. So first things first, Pocket Option doesn't officially give out API keys, but you can still connect to third-party tools or scripts by using your SSID, which acts as your authentication token. So here's how to find it. First, you want to log into your Pocket Option account. Then from here, you want to click on F12 and your keyboard. Then you want to head over to application, click this. You want to choose cookies. Then our cookies, click this. Then you want to you want to click the first option, pocket option. Then from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find SSID. But don't worry, if you don't see it right away, you want to try clicking anywhere on the page. So let's go ahead and try to go to click this one, this. I want to go back. There we can go back to here, scroll down. There we go. As you can see, we can already see the SSID. Now, clicking anywhere on the page reloads the cookies and it should make the SSID appear. Once you find it, you want to go ahead and copy this as the SSID value. That's a key you'll be using. Then you want to head over to GitHub. You want to type in Pocket Option API. From here, you'll find several repositories with scripts that connect to Pocket Options backend. You want to open one and you'll usually see a line of code where it says something like SSID. Just simply paste your copied SSID into that section and boom, that's how you authenticate your API requests using your Pocket Option account. And that's it. That's the only working way right now to access the Pocket Option API through your SSID. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.